per l'ascoltare, quindi sì, siamo liberi.
Yeah.
There does have to be a balancing act, but at the same time, we're being told that there are 3,000 people doing a smart balancing act basically overtaken. So we need to get those out of the way. There's various things that we're doing now to give people more confidence in the system. Because every time we have an
A very good afternoon. An 18-year-old man has been arrested in the port area of Dover in connection with an explosion on a London Underground train at Parsons Green, in which 13 people were hurt.
He said, we have made a significant arrest in our investigation this morning. Although we're pleased with the progress made, this investigation continues and the threat level remains critical. The public should remain vigilant as our staff officers and partners continue to work through this complex investigation. We're not at this time changing our protective security measures. The steps taken to free up expert armed officers remain in place. And as officers...
Your batch should be ready for you.